Being an online student gives you the flexibility to create your own schedules and tailor your academic experience to your personal life by choosing as many or as few courses as you like. And these options available to you are not something that in-person students get the opportunity to experience. But in order to get the most out of your online education, you need to master a few essential skills. Let's go over the 5 most important skills for online students to master. The 5 most important skills for online students to master are self-discipline and self-motivation, time management skills, self-advocacy skills, appropriate digital communication, and independence. Let's dig deeper into these skills, starting with self-discipline. Self-discipline and having the motivation to complete your coursework is an essential skill that you need as an online student. Sure, as an online student, you don't have to deal with the distractions of disruptive peers like in a brick-and-mortar school. You still, however, have to resist the temptations of social media, gaming, and a ton of other contenders fighting for your attention. Family and friends may be competing for your attention also, and being able to get your work done will take a lot of self-discipline that students in an in-person classroom don't need. When you're an online student, you're responsible for making sure you're focused and no one else. Self-discipline and self-motivation are a set of skills that you can apply when you attend college or go into the workforce after high school. Even with support from family and friends, you are the one who has to make sure that your needs are met and your responsibilities are taken care of. So learning these skills early on will make navigating life as an adult easier. Time management is an important skill to learn to successfully navigate your coursework as an online student. As an online student, you usually don't have anyone micromanaging every minute of your day and the ringing of a bell to tell you when to move on to the next subject. You get full control of the use of your time. This means that you could spend an hour or 8 hours working on your coursework each day. It's up to you. Whether or not you make the most of your time depends on your choice of time management. Knowing how to manage your time will help you greatly when you enter university or the workforce. Instructors and bosses probably won't send out constant reminders of deadlines coming up. So practicing how to manage your time while going to school online is a great opportunity to get ready for life after high school. There are even many helpful applications to help you along and get used to organizing your time efficiently. Self-advocacy is a skill that even some adults struggle with. In being an online student, it is an important skill that needs to be worked on. You have to be able to reach out to your instructor when you need help because you aren't sitting in the classroom with them, and they don't know if you're having problems with an assignment. Your best option is to just reach out to your instructor and work with them to answer any questions you may have. Many people don't know how to advocate for themselves and grow into the mindset that if people don't help them, then their struggles are everyone else's fault. Online students don't develop this mindset because they are able to reach out and ask for clarification on assignments and procedures. Self-advocacy is a skill that will help you throughout your life. When you're reaching out for help as an online student, it is important to understand what constitutes appropriate digital communication. We talk to professors and bosses differently than how we talk to friends and family. This is also applied to emails and video calls. It probably wouldn't be a great idea to talk to your professor or boss like they were your friends and you were making plans to go out. As an online student, you get to practice appropriate digital communication so you know what works best when addressing instructors and peers. Learning this skill will help you when moving on to bigger and better things in your life. Most of your communication at university and in the workplace is going to be in digital format. Knowing how to use appropriate digital communication, this also means how to format an email, is an essential skill to learn early, and you get a lot of practice as an online student. Being independent is somewhat related to all the other skills we went over. Learning to be independent helps you think for yourself and consider how to solve problems on your own, skills that will help you manage your online education. Whether you're trying to find additional resources about a topic you don't understand, or coming up with a new way to solve a problem, being independent will help you navigate not only your online education, but life itself. After high school, you may be thinking about moving out and living on your own, either at your own place or in a college dorm. Either way, you'll be experiencing more independence than you had when you were in high school. Being able to make informed and mature decisions will put you way ahead of your peers that can't handle their newfound independence. So those are the 5 most important skills for online students to master. If you would like to learn more about what it's like to be an online student, visit us at our website, www.excelhighschool.com, or call us at 1-800-620-3844. Excel High School is an accredited online school that offers many different academic program options for students grade 6 through graduation. Our fully online, self-paced programs fit around your family's schedule, and our support team is here to help you along the way. See you next time!